Siad mo Fransa na gauna O majin giwn sa tawru Sgana gauna gom a sionu
Sítach an rud solas soltú agad léachra agus ach gohairthe in sa sraith seo léachra tá go fóil I mar a réime agus I mar a chláinte agus tá seanam go maiid agus sílam go réir linn sin dhéanamh agus rudaigh na chur in sna láirthaí staire mar deartha don glúna tal teacht in ar nné agus is sítach an rud sin. Tá Frankie Gavin agus Átha Cliath ón sár grúpa Dónal, tá mBaile ó na Chieftains agus the Bothy Band agus Mair agus Trinity Dónal ó Scarabray agus Artie McGlynn hen le Daoine mór le rá cos le Van Morrison agus Patrick Street. Daoine a hastal ar fud na crinne a tuairt ceol na héireann ceol gaelach leo agus a chur an ardan ar an level is arde ar inniu riú thugla do rá.
Frankie, well, Jace is one of the most talented musicians ever to come out of Ireland.
Was child prodigy bhí sé casa iontacha ó anóg. Just talking shake with no door leis.
It was lovely to hear all the nice comments that people make, and it was a real enjoyment doing the programme. It's a fantastic situation where music is held in such esteem, the traditional music of the country. And I mean, only for TG4 and an ear, I mean, what would we do, you know? And then you have the Gratham Awards, of course. So it's getting the traditional music of the country and the culture of the country is getting the appropriate televised coverage that it truly deserves, and more of that, I say. And more television stations should be doing it as well, you know. But TG4 do it very well.
Tan an chlár faoi cúlan chlán soganne an áit ar tógamid an dói bhúrmid ar gud ceol agus na cúlraí agus a hanard tá buint lei sin as ranna fearste in chundé Dónal maithar agus stórmór ceol agus óran in sa chláán. Bhí sé jazz gan arás go ranna fearste tafad an sin casú le daoine ar ó buintegan ar héal ceol agus bheith ggóúidir na daoine sin agus bhí cracardóigean.